Hello, little people. As you know, today Usman Nurmagomedov and Paul Hughes is fighting for the second time. And now I'm making a video for you. This is how good person I am. It is a good fight, and now still I'm making a video. And still, let's go. So, today we're gonna cover everything in chapter one. The last time, as far as I remember, we covered 1.1, right? We solved the questions from there. We also have a theoretical background video, but this video will be a little different. We will give the theoretical background of each section, and then we'll talk about the selected problems at the same video. Wow, the channel is getting better and better every time. Okay, first, we gotta learn about multiplying and dividing integers. So as far as I remember, the integers were the whole numbers, right? Integers were whole numbers. What does this whole number mean? The whole number means that, well, it's not point anything, right? Let's say this guy is not a whole number because it's a fraction. This guy is not a whole number because there is a point. This guy is also not a whole number because again, you see, it's a point, so it means that with what we call this guy as a decimal. This guy is a whole number because there is nothing else, right? This is just 2, just 17, just -50, and also just 0. So all of these guys, so we can write them as, let's say, -10, -9, -8, -7, blah, 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 blah. And here it's like negative infinity, 0, 1, 2, positive infinity. So all of these numbers, set of these numbers, we call them integers, right? Integers. So the integers after 1, so these guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to the infinity, we call them natural numbers. So you see, the integers after 1 are called natural numbers, right? We already talked about that. And now, we already know about how to multiply and divide natural numbers, right? For example, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. This is how to multiply them. Or 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. This is how to divide them. But now if we talk about the integers, then these negatives and positive negative numbers will also be included there, right? So then let's have a little table about the multiplication of and division. Actually, both of them work. So let's fix our table because it works for multiplication and division at the same time. The rules are exactly the same. So we have the rules for multiplication and division of the integers. So we got plus minus plus minus. This is our table. The table says that if we have positive numbers, so you see plus times positive number or positive divided by positive, the result will be positive. Negative divided by negative or negative multiplied by negative will also be positive. Okay? Negative times positive or negative divided by positive is negative. Positive times negative or positive divided by negative is negative. We can write it as this: positive times, or not okay, let's not don't go with or yet. Positive times positive gives us positive. Then positive times positive times negative gives us negative. Negative times positive gives us negative again. And negative times negative gives us positive. The same thing works for division. So positive divided by positive is positive. Positive divided by negative is negative. Negative divided by positive is negative. And negative divided by negative is positive. Okay? So now let's talk about the addition and subtraction of those numbers as well. For example, if you have, let's say, -2 plus 5, you already know that it's the same thing as 5 minus 2. That's equal to 3, right? How about -5 minus 2? So -5, we are making it even smaller than -5. We are subtracting 2 from -5, so that will be -7. This was the primary material. And how about this one? -5, let's make them separate. -5 plus -2. Once you see negative, positive, and negative, you see plus and -2. You can write it as -5, just like multiplication and division. You have plus, minus, so it becomes -2. Okay, you have plus, minus. It just became minus. So -5 minus 2, which is equal to -7 again. And similarly, if we have -5 minus -2, so when you see minus, minus, so we got -5, and then minus, minus becomes plus 2. -5 plus 2 is -3. Okay, this is how the addition rules go. So that's it. We don't have nothing else. Let's work out some selected problems. This is from the Learner's Book 1.2. Okay, let's work on question 14. Let's say part C. Question 14, part C says -3 plus 15 divided by -4. So now we first work on this one, -3 plus 15. What is it? It is 12. 12 divided by -4. Now, recall that 12 is a positive number. We divide it by -4. So the result will be negative, right? So because we see positive divided by negative. So the result will be negative. Negative what? 12, 4, division 3. So the answer is -3. Very easy. Let's do part D for fun as well. Part D says 24 divided by 2 times -4. So let's work on this one first. So we got 24 divided by, what is 2 times -4? So positive times negative, result will be negative, right? Positive, negative, result is negative. Negative what? 2, 4, multiplication, 2 multiplied by 4, 8. But not normal 8, -8, because we got 2 times -4, positive times negative. So now we have 24 over divided by -8. So positive divided by negative. It will be negative, right? So 24 divided by 8. 3. -3. That's it. Let's do question 15, part D, for example. We're going to find the value of x. So -15 divided by x is equal to 3. From here, we know that x is equal to -15 divided by 3, which means x is equal to, so 15 divided by 3 is 5, but we have negative number divided by positive number, so result will be negative. So the answer is x equals to -5. This was part B. Well, we can do it. You can do any other part by yourself as well. So now let's talk about the new topic, which is about the square roots and cube roots. Okay. Um, but let's make it in another video actually. Bye bye. See you in the next video.